Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my logos, client management and showcase plugin created for you guys to enjoy, and we're going to go really quick in the boring sections of the plugin and we're going to focus more on the more exciting ones. And here we have all the clients. This is basically a table with the client name, logo, group and the date. Let's create a new client and we are going to set the name of the client. And let's say the new client is Sony. We're going to set the logo, and you can see we're using the media library of WordPress. So if you guys know to upload images to WordPress, you're going to know how to create new clients. We're going to set the logo and the URL, the link, and let's say this is the link, and we're going to put some words about Sony. And this is all you have to do. You can set a group, and I'm going to set it to PC. And this is all you have to do to create a new client for this plugin. Now once this is published, obviously it's going to be in the clients list. We can see it here in the all clients. I mentioned groups before. Group management is done very simple. You just have to create a name for the group. Let's say we have games, for example, and we are going to create a new group, and you can see here we also show how many clients are in this group right here. But let's go to the fun part, and that is the shortcode generator. This is interactive interface. You have instant results here. With a few clicks of the mouse, you can change what you get for your website. And this section has two areas: the settings area here in the upper side of the screen and the preview area in the lower side of the screen. Now what this does, it has in the settings area we have 4 columns of options. You see display entries, entry information, themes, and show as slider. The first column basically allows you to set what clients you want to display, and you do this by changing the group, or you can just set to display all of them. I'm going to let all of them to be displayed. You can set how many clients to display, and if you want to display them all, just leave this field empty and they'll all be here, but I'm going to set it like 10. Then you can order them by date or name, ascending or descending. In the second column, entry information, by default we suggest you display the logo and allow open URL, the link for the client that you added when you created a new client. But you can also display the client's name and activate the tooltip, which is basically whenever you go with the mouse over the client, this short description appears, and you guys can see it right here. In the third column we have the themes. This column basically allows you to change the interface, the actual results you get. Basically we have created 10 themes here, and you can see that the results are instant almost. It basically depends on your connection to the server, but you can see that it basically you just change the theme and you can see the results. I'm going to leave it to theme 1, and the next option here is image effect, and what this does is we have added all these effects here, and you can just let's say fade in down. Whenever you set an image effect with the mouse over, you can see the effect. So let's set this to bounce, for example. The next option here is number of columns. Let's say I want to display my clients in 2 columns. And you can see they're instantly rearranged, and this is the bounce effect. Because we want you to be able to use this plugin wherever you want in your website, you can set the box height, which will determine basically even the box width. And let's say we set it to 125 pixels, and you can see that the images are resized to properly fit 125 pixels in height. One of the coolest features we added here is a slider. So we want to show 2 items per slide, and you can see these effects like we have bullets that can be disabled, and navigation buttons, and autoplay and hover whenever on stop on hover. Also you can see the speed and the pagination speed. I'm going to leave them to half a second for now. The responsive feature allows you to create the code instantly so that it will be used on mobile devices as well. Lazy load and lazy effect is a great feature if you plan on having this shortcode displayed on devices with slow internet connection. Now, another cool feature we have here are the CSS tree transitions, and let's see what the CSS tree transition are. And I'm going to activate the navigation, but yeah, we can already see them. Let's see the fade transition. So you can see that the images are fading. Let's try another one. Backslide. Okay, so this, I think this is really nice. And with the bounce, all these results, you can get them in your website by just copying the shortcode that is generated here, and you can go and put it in wherever you want. You see this is a edit page, a simple page in WordPress, and this will get you instant result in the website as well. Also, you can use the PHP code in your templates if you are more advanced and you know how to use this feature. We highly recommend it. Another cool feature that we added to this plugin is that it comes with a widget, and basically let's go to the widgets area, and you can see this is the widget, the Indeed My Logos widget. I'm going to remove these two widgets and I'm going to add a new one. In this widget we have all the options of the plugin except for the instant preview, because there is very little space here to display. And I think that if you guys play around with the options in the shortcode generator here, you're going to get the results you want here as well, because you'll learn how to use the features. But you can see you have all the 4 sections here as well. You activate the slider and you have all the options here, even the CSS transitions and the effects. Hope you're going to enjoy using this plugin, and if you have any suggestions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.